Now let's go ahead and finish this up and find the volume of this hexagonal pyramid. If you remember, volume from your formula sheet is equal to 1/3 area of the base times the height. Now, we've already found the area of the base. Again, we went back, if we look here, that was this right here, the area of the base. We found we had to find total surface area. So we're going to use that again. So, it's 1/3 area of the base, which again was 31.8255. I'm not using any rounded values here. And then times the height of this particular hexagonal pyramid. Now, I'm not talking slant height, I'm talking perpendicular height. From here down to the apex. This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is your altitude or your perpendicular height. So we're going to multiply that by 12. And if you do that, you get 127 and 302 thousandths. Now again, we're going to go to 3 significant digits. By the way, the label on this, since its volume is cubic yards. So again, if we go to 3 significant digits, that's going to be 127 cubic yards would be your volume. So I hope this makes things a little simpler. I hope that matched up with what you got. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look at an application problem for our last video for this particular section. So what that means is we're going to go ahead and skip over frustums of a pyramid. So all this extra here, unless you want to do it, you can. But we're going to skip over this and go to the applications for our final video.